Namaste friends. In part 2 video of the story An Encounter of a Special Kind, that is vocabulary in part 2, you were given some homework based on the vocabulary question 1a. So now you can check your answers with this. Let's start. Question 1a, find a word from this page which means people having training and a high level of education for a particular job. It is the activity was from page number 8 of the story. So the answer is professional. Then adjoining or neighboring, adjacent. Number 3, splendid, majestic and magnificent, two synonyms. Then the hidden shelter of some type of wild animals, the here word is den, D-E-N. Then survival, existence. Chance, opportunity. An act of bravery, that is adventure. Loud and unpleasant, that is harsh. Angrily and violently, that is furiously. And neglect, meaning ignore. Then question number 1b, find an antonym from the passage for fold, unfold. Far, nearby or closer. Then elder, younger. Fortunate, hapless. Outside, inside. Question number 1c, find an adjective from the page for the following nouns. Campus, large campus, green grass, majestic trees, colorful flowers, seasonal vegetables, small incident, festive season, hearty lunch, intermittent chirping, harsh cawing, hapless pig, louder and aggressive barking. So here large, green, majestic, colorful, seasonal, small, festive, hearty, intermittent, harsh, hapless, louder and aggressive are the adjectives respectively for the nouns given in the activity. Then question number D, write the adjective form of creation, creative, dimension, dimensional, provide, provisional, silence, silent, wonder, wonderful. Then last activity, question number 1e, write the noun form of luxurious, luxury, majestic, majesty, younger, youth, high, height, and furiously, fury. So this was the homework. I hope it will be helpful to check your answers, and if something went wrong you can correct it. So let's proceed for the third part of the story, that is margin line activities. So let us start. There are some margin line questions asked for better understanding. Page number 8, margin line question 1. What was the profession of the writer's father? The writer's father was a medical professional. Then margin line question number 2, describe the campus where the writer's family lived. The campus where the writer's family lived was large. The compound of the campus was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and tall and majestic trees. Question number 3 on the same margin line. How did the family relax after lunch? After the lunch, writer's younger sisters lay down for an afternoon nap. He would read storybooks. Page number 9, margin line activity. The question is, what wicked custom is practiced by animals who live in groups? The wicked custom practiced by animals living in groups is that a dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its group. So this is the wicked custom. Then page number 10, margin line activity. What attempts helped the baby langur to revive? To revive the baby langur, cold water was splashed on it. The writer had offered him a peeled banana. So these attempts were done to revive the baby langur. Then vocabulary activity is asked. Actually, we have solved it. Guess the meaning of shaky, uncanny, bosom, and welled up. So the meanings of these words have already been given when we listed the vocabulary. So we will proceed for the next one. When did baby langur finally find comfort? The baby langur finally found comfort when its mother cuddled it tightly in her bosom. Then page number 11, margin line question. What truth about animal-human relationship did this incident reveal to the narrator? This incident reveals to the narrator the truth about human-animal relationship, that interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality. And the last margin line question on page number 11, what did the mother seem to convey to the narrator? The mother langur seemed to convey to the narrator that besides food, there were some other means of establishing a bond through trust, compassion, and mutual understanding. So friends, these were the margin line questions, and I have given you the answers of these questions. I hope these answers of the margin line questions will definitely be useful for you to understand the story. So please write down the margin line questions and their answers in your notebook. So this is a writing activity to be done at home after watching this video. Thank you.